Hi everyone, in this lesson we're going to be representing data using block graphs, focusing on how to make a block graph. This topic is part of the data area of maths and is suitable for children who are 8 years and older. Okay, before we start, you're going to need a pencil and eraser, some lined maths paper, and some colouring pencils. Okay, we already know that block graphs are used to show amounts using blocks. Now I would like you to make your own block graph. Here are all the birds spotted in the park one day. And I would like you to take this information and make it into a block graph. So the first thing we're going to do is label our data by putting a title up the top, birds we spotted in the park. Then draw a line, because behind this we're going to put in our data groups, which in this case are the birds. So we've got robins, sparrows, we're then going to write in crows, magpies, and blackbirds. Along the bottom there's going to be another line, and this is going to show our frequency, or how often we spotted the birds. From here, we can now begin to colour in the block graph. Try using different colours for each bird. Press pause, fill in your block graph with the correct amounts, and then press play when you are done. Great work! Okay, so let's just check that we got everything correct. Of course, there were 5 robins, there were 2 sparrows, there were 4 crows, there were 7 magpies, and there were 9 blackbirds. And that's our block graph for the birds we spotted in the park. Great work! Hopefully you've learned how to make a block graph. In the next lesson, we're going to see if we can answer questions based on this block graph. See you then! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you know somebody who will find this video helpful, please share it with them.